Small spaces don't mean giving up on greenery. In fact, window gardening is honestly one of the most space-efficient and rewarding ways to grow indoors. With the right light and layout, even the smallest sill can become your favorite garden spot. South-facing windows offer the most sun, perfect for herbs and succulents. East-facing spots get gentle morning light, while shady north windows are ideal for ferns and pothos. Just match your plant to the light, and let nature do the rest. The Umbra Triflora hanging planter uses vertical space to create a clean, modern look. Hang herbs, vines, or succulents directly in front of the window without cluttering your sill. Add elegance with Mkono's wall-mounted glass terrariums, perfect for hydroponic cuttings or soft greenery. They turn empty walls into lush living displays. Floating shelves near windows are ideal for staging herbs, succulents, or compact decorative plants. They add structure and style while keeping your space uncluttered. For a touch of boho charm, macrame hangers bring movement and texture to your window garden. They're perfect for trailing plants and look stunning in filtered light. From hanging planters to hydroponic kits, your windows hold more gardening potential than you think. It's not about having more space. It's about making the most of the light you already have. Ready to transform your own windows into a mini garden oasis? Visit smallspacesprouts.com for the full guide, product links, and more space-smart gardening tips.